Hey guys, it's Brittany here. So today I am going to be taking you through on me organizing my fridge. And my son is home, so you'll hear him in the background. But here is what my fridge looks like right now. Just lovely fridge stuff. It's really gross down there. And I have a lot of leftovers that I need to just get rid of. And these are the condiments. So yeah, I kind of have my work cut out for me, but I'm just going to be taking you through on how I'm going to clean my fridge. Thanks for watching, you guys. Now I'm going to start by taking everything out of my fridge, which you guys will see in a minute. Okay, so this is what it's looking like with everything out. All of the food is out. You can see I have some gross messes. I don't even know what that is. And the drawers, there's like crumbs in there. So what I'm going to do now is fill my sink up with some hot water and some of this bleach here, and I'm gonna let the drawers soak in that, and then I will show you guys what's next. And here is the finished product, you guys. I just put milk and different drinks up here and a couple condiments. Like I put my pickles, I've been eating those a lot, and just some of my son's drinks, and an apple beer. It's non-alcoholic. There's whipped cream, apple cider vinegar, just extra, and salsa back there. Then this second layer is beets. There's 2 cans of beets, salsa, fruit, applesauce, Greek yogurt, eggs. And I also put these down. I got these at the Dollar Tree, but I think I want to go back and get some more just so that I could, because in order for it to fill the whole thing, I actually need 2. So I might go back and get more just so that I can do that, so that they fill the whole part, because that kind of bugs me. But I'm just going to go and run and do that right now. The inside is just cheeses. I liked using these because these are like snack cheeses, so it makes it easy. And then this is just butter and more string cheese. And in this drawer is lettuce, tortillas, and cheese. And then my second drawer is empty because I want to buy some more fresh vegetables to put in. And then these are my condiments.